What's up, everyone? Here live with our 5 boxes of Topps Chrome Update Mega. Break number 5 here of this. And I will get off and go in here in 1 minute. Drop a comment. Let me know who's in hanging out. Tons of big name rookies to look for. Julio Rodriguez, Bobby Witt Jr., Wander Franco, Oneil Cruz, Steven Kwan, Seiya Suzuki, Jeremy Pena. Good luck. We got 40 cards in each of our megas here. 1 purple in each pack. Here we go. Box number 1. Good luck. 40 total cards. 10 purples in each box. Got 4 more breaks after this one tonight. 5 boxes of Platinum Anniversary after this one. And 5 boxes of Bowman Chrome to follow. 5 boxes of Topps Holiday. And 3 boxes of Stadium Club Hobby to end out the night. Alrighty, box number 1. Good luck. Avisail Garcia. Avisail Garcia. Purple Max Scherzer for the Mets. Bryson Stott Generation Now. Iglesias purple. Pavetta purple. Wander Franco rookie debut. Paddock purple. Freddie Freeman purple. Melendez rookie. And there we go, Julio Rodriguez on the All-Star Game rookie refractor for the Mariners. Nice hits. Julio Rodriguez, All-Star Game rookie refractor for the Mariners. Here out of box 1. Avisail Garcia purple. Kwan debut. Jock Peterson purple. Ohtani Generation Now refractor. Austin Meadows purple. Bobby Witt Jr. base for the Royals. Kevin Smith rookie purple for the Athletics. That wraps up box 1. Solid starts for J-Rod refractor there. J-Rod refractor. Alright, mega box number 2. Approve group requests here real quick. Alright, box 2. Other than tonight, we got Wednesday night and Sunday afternoon breaks this week. Hope to see you guys on both days then. Wednesday afternoon and night, sorry. We've got more Chrome updates Wednesday afternoon as well as Platinum Anniversary. And then some Holiday on Wednesday nights, and plenty more on Sunday afternoon. Those are not listed yet. Those will go live tomorrow. Alright, box number 2. Luke Voigt. Zach Greinke purple. Alek Manoah All-Star Game refractor for the Blue Jays. Profar purple. Gore Generation now. Chris Bryant purple for the Rockies. And Jeremy Pena on the base rookie purple for the Astros. Nice hit there for the Astros. Leo Rodriguez base rookie. Urshela purple. Seiya Suzuki debut. Cole Irvin purple. Arenado All-Star Game refractor. And Spencer Torkelson rookie purple for the Tigers. Topps Chrome Sapphire update Sapphire releases this week. So should have some of that in hand probably next week. Should be lots of fun. A lot of big name rookies in here. Sixto Sanchez, Jordan Generation now, and Chris Archer. Alright, our episode box number 2. Leo Rodriguez, base rookie. Box number 3. Alright, box 3, here we go. Reed Detmers debut purple for the Angels. Joey Wentz rookie purple for the Tigers. Pena rookie debut. Bassett purple. Manny Machado All-Star Game refractor for the Padres. C.J. Abrams rookie. Drew Smiley purple. William Contreras refractor for the Braves. Pujols purple for the Cardinals. Joe Dunand rookie purple. Jarren Duran rookie debut. Boz Generation Now refractor. Royce Lewis rookie purple. JP Sears base. Castillo rookie. And Grichuk purple. Alright, that leaves us here with 2 boxes to go. Alright, box number 4. Mike Brosseau, Edward Cabrera, rookie debut purple. Aaron Judge, All-Star Game refractor for the Yankees. Stroman purple. Kenley Jansen purple. Javier Baez purple for the Tigers. Seth Lugo. VR purple. Wander Franco rookie debut. And Stephen Kwan rookie purple for the Guardians. Base rookie purple. Joe Ryan rookie debut. Schwarber refractor for the Phillies. Tellez purple. Kwan rookie debut. Rodriguez generation now. Angie Urshela purple for the Twins. Alright, that leaves us here with 1 box to go. Solid box number 4 there. Leo Rodriguez generation now. And box number 5. Have a full recap at the end of the break of all our rookies and color off to the side here. Up after this, we've got 5 boxes of Platinum Anniversary Megas. Alright, box number 5. Tony Gonsolin. Ryan Pepiot, rookie purple for the Dodgers. Suzuki debut. Helio Ramos, rookie debut purple. Cesar Hernandez, purple. George Springer, refractor for the Blue Jays. Hummel, rookie purple. Joey Wentz, rookie purple for the Tigers. Estrada. Torkelson, generation now rookie. Hunter Green, rookie debut purple. Bassett, purple. Tommy Romero, rookie purple for the Rays. Fox, rookie. Stephen Kwan. Will Smith, purple. Bobby Witt Jr., rookie debut. Musgrove, refractor. And Jake Marisnick, purple for the Pirates. And that will wrap up the break here for our 5 boxes of Topps Chrome Update. Appreciate you all hanging out for this one. And I will get off and going here on a recap once I get these ones sleeved up here. And I'll be back at 9:45 with 5 boxes of Platinum Anniversary. Break still ending on eBay here tonight. Go check those out. And we are back after tonight. We're back on Wednesday afternoon and night, and then Sunday afternoon. Alright, start off with our rookie purples. Romero, Rays. Green, Reds. Hummel, Diamondbacks. Ramos, Giants. Pepiot, Dodgers. Wentz, Tigers. Cabrera, Marlins. Lewis, Twins. Dunand, Marlins. Wentz, Tigers. Detmers, Angels. Smith, Athletics. All-Star Game Refractors. Musgrove, Padres. Springer, Blue Jays. Schwarber, Phillies. Machado, Padres. Contreras, Braves. Arenado, Cardinals. Manoah, Blue Jays. And Ohtani Generation Now Refractor for the Angels. Couple of vet purples. Pools, Cardinals. Scherzer, Mets. And base rookies here. Stephen Kwan, 1 base and 2 debut for the Guardians. Bobby Witt Jr., 1 debut, 1 base, Royals. Seiya Suzuki, 2 debut, Cubs. Wander Franco, 2 debut, Rays. 1 Jeremy Pena, rookie debut, Astros. And 1 Torkelson, Generation Now, Tigers. Couple J-Rods here. Generation Now and base rookie for the Mariners. In your showcase, Aaron Judge. All-Star Game Refractor for the Yankees. Spencer Torkelson, rookie purple for the Tigers. Stephen Kwan, rookie purple for the Guardians. Jeremy Pena, rookie purple for the Astros. And your Hulk Smash hit of the break here in our 5 boxes of Chrome Update. Julio Rodriguez on the All-Star Game Rookie Refractor, unnumbered. Alright, appreciate you guys hanging out for this one. I will be back here in about 10 minutes at 9:45 with our 5 boxes of Platinum Anniversary. I'll see you guys then. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.